everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey's over here at the camera. Say hi, Kelsey.
Hi.
First of all, I want to say thank you for watching our videos. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like this video at the end of the video. And today we're going to make a new soap that's called the Rose Quartz. And we got the fragrance from Brambleberry, and this is actually a real rose quartz that I got from a vendor where we have our booth, but he's not there anymore, but he had some beautiful stuff. And this over here are my little rose quartz that I made from a melt and pour soap, glycerin soaps that I'm going to use as embeds on top of my rose quartz soap. Alright, gonna put this away. So what I'm going to use for coloring, I have the red mica from Brambleberry and mixed with coral mica over here. And then I have another little container over here, and this one is just the rose coral mica, right?
Mm-hmm.
The coral mica in here. And of course I'm going to have a little bit of titanium dioxide. And I am thinking about using in the white part of my soap, I'm going to use some sparkle mica. Snowflake sparkle mica from Brambleberry too. Okay, so the oils I'm using are our recipe is coconut, olive, almond, palm, and the castor oil. So that's our original recipe. And I'm going to put the lye in here right now, and then when I'm done mixing everything, I'm going to separate a little bit of this batter in two little containers over here with two different reds. And we don't want it really red, but we want it to be kind of like a soft, very soft pink, like the rose quartz. So let's go ahead and do this. Put my lye solution in here. Alright, there we go. We actually made this soap a while ago when we start soaping, like years ago. Right, Kelsey? Remember?
Right.
And we decided, yeah, we need to make it again and revamp it.
Mm-hmm. I think we first made this soap in 2017.
Yeah, when they had the video, Brambleberry had the video. When we start doing soaps for everybody, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to blend this really fast, and then I'll see you guys in a... Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in this big container over here, I want it kind of like a nice rose pink. So I'm putting the coral mica in there. I didn't put any fragrance oil in there yet because I can't remember if it accelerates trace or not. I can't remember that. Do you remember, Kelsey?
Let me check.
No, it's okay. You don't have to check. And then I'm
mild acceleration.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be safe, and so I'm gonna put this in here. This I want it to be more. So I have more pigment in this one. And I'm gonna stick blend it a little bit. Not a lot. I want this to be a different color. Because if you notice on the rose quartz, if you have one of those stones, you can see that they have different kind of pink. They have like a very deep pink and a very mild pink, and there's a little bit of like a white kind of thing going on there. But so we're gonna try to simulate the stone, but not exactly like it. It's going to be an homage to the rose quartz. Okay. And like I said, I am going to stick blend these. Okay. And now I'm going to do another one here. And this one is going to have titanium dioxide. It's going to be my white. More like a creamy white. And I think I want to put in here, actually I want to put some sparkly snowflake mica. Don't have a lot left in this thing, so we're just going to use that. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. Just on here. And a little bit here. A little bit here. And a little bit here. And maybe in the middle here. And then I'm going to do this on top of the white. Over here. Over here. And over here. So I want it to look like quartz. Wow, look how marbly he looks. He looks really marbly. Alright. I'm gonna smack this down a little bit and it will come back. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit, because what I want to do, I want to do some design in there that requires the soap to be a little bit thicker. Okay, it's too liquid right now. Okay, so we're gonna wait like a few minutes, couple minutes, see how that goes, and then we're gonna do some designs. We'll be back in a second. Okay, what did I say? Okay, so I'm just gonna do a very simple design with my spoon here. That's very simple. So it's still a little bit liquidy. Thought, you know, would accelerate, but it does not. It's not very, it's actually really good. It did not accelerate that much at all. See, I didn't remember if it did. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit too loose, so I think I'm gonna let it stay a little bit longer and finish my design in a little bit. So I want it to be a little bit stiffer than what it is. Alright, we're back, and I think the soap is ready to play with. And there you go. Alright, see, now it's the right consistency. Sorry about my pronunciation. Some of the words, I don't know, sometimes I can't say it, especially when it's late at night. Very late today. But we're having fun, right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay. So we're just going to do a very simple design. Nothing fancy. Fancy schmancy. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of this Snowflake Sparkle Mica from Brambleberry. Because I love this mica. It looks like it's snowing in here now. It's really like a snow thing, like snow, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of alcohol. 91% alcohol. Alright, and we're done for now. And we're going to come back in about 24 hours, 48 hours. I'm going to be checking it and make sure that that's you know, getting there, curing there. It's ready to be cut. It is not too soft. And I will be coming back and show you what it looks like from up close in a second. Alright, there it is. This is a close-up. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I know the stones, the soapstones are different size, but you know what? They're going to be individual bars, and I just don't think it makes a big difference in the loaf. I mean, it looks better when you have, you know, coordinated there, but I wasn't thinking, but that's alright. Well, I just can't wait to see what looks like inside. Alright guys, so we'll see you in a little bit when we cut it. Alright. Hello, we're back, and it's been a couple of days, about 48 hours, and we're gonna cut our rose quartz soap. I already cut the end of it here, and as you can see, it turned out really nice. So let's see here. Let me check my cutter here. So I don't think I checked it before. Here we go. So I was saying it's almost Christmas, and we're already getting ready for Valentine's Day soaps right now. You know, every holiday. So we're gonna make more videos, winter videos, but I want to start making videos about Valentine's Days too. So the next one is gonna be another winter videos, and the reason why we didn't have another video before is because last week is because we've been really busy. We moved from a different spot in our marketplace. There is a better spot we like more, and I like the shape of that booth better. A little shop there looks a lot better. So that's why we're really busy redoing stuff over there. So I apologize if we didn't have a video last week, but everything is good. We're having a lot of fun. I hope everybody's enjoying, you know, Christmas season, holiday season, and doing your shopping, Christmas shopping. Well, I guess I have to readjust this because I'm cutting the Lola. Oops. I cut a little bit of this soap over here on top, the little stone. Oh, it was too close. I have to readjust it. I think it's going to be okay. There we go. But anyway, I wanted to use real rose quartz, but I decided not to because the person that I was going to buy it from, it's not around anymore around here. They moved, so I'm gonna try to do another gemstone soap maybe later. What do you think, Elsie?
That's beautiful.
But do you want to do another gemstone soap later?
Sure.
And we don't know which one right now, but we'll see what we're going to come up with, right? Okay. And we also want to do a video on body butter. I'm gonna start making body butters again because winter time people, you know, the skin gets really dry, so it's a good thing to have body butters because they're not like usually like creams. Body butters I like it more because they're all nice natural butter, especially shea butter and cocoa butter. So I'm thinking about making a video about that later. Okay. Almost done with this one. Be just a second. I'm gonna finish cutting this and then I'll show you guys what they look like all together. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, here we are back. I cut all of them and that's what they look like. They have a really nice pattern over there. I kind of like it. Looks just like the rose quartz stone that we have. And I like the little salts on it too. What do you think, Elsie?
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. And like I said before, we're going to make another one. And we'll try to make another one next week because we're going to another Christmas bazaar next weekend. And I am not sure if we're going to make it to make another video. What do you think, Elsie? We're going to try, right?
Right.
Next week. And we're going to do probably another winter soap. And stay tuned, so we'll see what I'm coming up with. And like I said, after that, we're going to start making Valentine's soaps. Okay? So I hope you liked this video. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do. And you'll see all the new stuff that we're going to come up with. Like I said before, not just soaps, but also we're going to make body butters, lip scrubs, all kinds of things. Okay. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we're going to see you in the next video. And please, if you like this, give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye.